Hi guys, today I want to talk about how to fix or how to solve delay on ChatGPT. To know how to fix or how to solve delay on ChatGPT app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you can go to the window of ChatGPT. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. Then you can go to Play Store. If you'll find here updates, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.